Hey everybody, welcome to our channel Tech Bidda. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Play Store latest version. So let's start the video. Before that, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of video. Okay? So let's jump with the process. For update Play Store application, most of people go to Play Store and search here Play Store to get Play Store application. But they could not find out Play Store application. This is the wrong way. So what you need to do for update your Play Store, just go to Play Store and here click on your account icon. Then here go to settings. After that here tap on about. And now as you can see here update Play Store option. Just click on that option. After that your Play Store will be updated. As you can see here my Play Store is already up to date. If your Play Store is not up to date, then it will automatically update. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.